Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to discuss that is 100 factorial plus 1 is a prime number or not. To prove that 100 or to show that 100 factorial plus 1 is prime or not, here we use Wilson's theorem. Let's see what is the statement of Wilson's theorem. It basically states that for any prime p, we have p minus 1 factorial is congruent to minus 1 mod p. Just note that p is a prime number. So in other words, we have for any prime p, the factorial p minus 1 leaves a remainder of minus 1 when divided by p. To achieve the given result, we basically choose p is equal to 101, and 101 is a prime number, so we substitute 101 in the Wilson's theorem, as Wilson's theorem is only applicable for prime numbers. Basically get 101 minus 1 whole factorial congruent to minus 1 mod 101. Just subtract 101 and minus 1, we get 100 factorial, and in the next step move minus 1 to the left hand side, we get 100 factorial plus 1 congruent to 0. It means that 100 factorial plus 1 is congruent to 0 in the mod 101. So it means 101 is a divisor of 100 factorial plus 1. In conclusion, we have 100 factorial plus 1 is divisible by 101 and it cannot be a prime, since prime number has only divisor 1 and itself. But 100 factorial plus 1 has a divisor 101 which is other than 1 and itself. Therefore, 100 factorial plus 1 is not a prime number. Thanks for watching.